The Hauptmann Lecture, and also the Hauptmann School of Public Affairs in the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences, is named after a professor who taught at Park for over 50 years. Jerzy Hauptmann was originally from Poland, and during World War II he fought in the Underground Army and actually participated in the Warsaw Uprising. After a stint in a German POW camp, he left Poland, did his graduate work at the University of Innsbruck, and made his way to Park. Over the next 50 years, not only was he a really well-known and towering figure on campus as the political science professor, he worked on three main themes: democracy, public administration, and international politics. And what made Dr. Hauptmann's research so interesting is the interaction between those three things. While they might seem like three topics that easily go together, they don't naturally sit together in academia. So it's that interdisciplinary kind of thinking that Dr. Hauptmann was really known for, and that when the students that he educated over the years decided to found the lecture in his name, they wanted to embody. This year there was really not a lot of debate over whether or not we really wanted to try to go out and get Dr. Mounk to come to campus. He's written about the rise of authoritarian populism, he's written about the nature of democracy in increasingly pluralistic societies, but he does so from the perspective that in order to fully understand these processes, we need to understand the nature of public policy and its development, things like sociology and psychology, group dynamics, and how they play out at a political or social level, as well as how economics and people's lived experiences really help shape the politics of a nation state like ours. So it was really important to us that we bring someone to campus at a moment where identity, American nationalism and patriotism, these things have become parts of our political debate. And it was really important to us that we bring someone to campus who could speak to those in a rigorous, multifaceted, and interesting way. If you're interested in coming, the talk will be September 19th at 6:30 p.m. in the Alumni Theater.